Today's ornamental plants are not only measured by their beautiful flowers but also the shape and color of their attractive leaves. Starting from Jandabo long to various alocasia plants, they have become the target of ornamental plant collectors in various regions. One of the most sought-after types of alocasia is the alocasia frydek, which is quite difficult to buy. Features, shapes, and colors. This type of alocasia is also known as alocasia green velvet, whose popularity is increasing lately. This one plant comes from the Philippines and is a plant from the tuber family or Araceae. Like the origin of its family, this alocasia green velvet has tubers that grow in the soil. The most unique thing about this plant lies in its dark green leaves that glow when exposed to light. There is a unique pattern on the leaves, namely the bones of the leaves will have a bright white color as if dividing the leaves. The shape of the leaves themselves can grow quite wide and have a shape similar to a heart. The stem of the plant, like other alocasia varieties, is not cambium and has a fairly high water content. The stem of this plant is shaped like a midrib. Each leaf stalk will directly attach to the main stem. How to plant this one plant comes from the rainforest habitat in the Philippines, which does have a quite unique climate. When planting at home, there are several steps that can be taken so that plants can grow well. Here are the steps. 1. Doing breeding. There are actually several ways that can be done to breed this alocasia frydek, either naturally or not. Naturally, the plants will form new saplings around the main plant and later it's just a matter of separating them. For artificial reproduction, there is a way of cuttings that can be done, but it does require its own skills. 2. Preparing the planting media. The media that needs to be prepared for this plant is a medium that can remove water well enough. There are several materials that can be used, such as humus mixed with husk charcoal and manure in a ratio of 2:1:1. Make sure the planting media is sterile to prevent the growth of pathogens later. 3. Transplanting seedlings into pots. The pot used for this plant can be with a small pot because it is still a sapling. Prepare a pot with a hole under it first, then add 1/3 of the planting media. After that, the saplings are put into pots and added planting media until they almost touch the lip of the pot. Flush with enough water,